Welcome back to the channel, guys. OJ Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing a cool strategy that will enable us earning money with two platforms simultaneously right now. And both platforms are actually CPA grade right here, and also this platform called Amazon.com. It's actually sounding quite vague right now, guys, but once you actually do watch the video to the end, you can actually learn this simple strategy, implement that, and start making money online right here. So do stick on as we dive right into this video. So basically, guys, if you're actually familiar with Amazon, you will know that Amazon is actually a very cool platform where you can get virtually anything right now on Amazon. You can get virtually anything on this platform right here, ranging from phones to digital products to also clothing, accessories, and a lot more cool stuff such as that. And what if I told you guys you can actually become an Amazon affiliate marketer? Yes, you can do that right now, and you can do that, guys, with the help of a very cool platform called Amazon Associates. And this is a platform right here where you can register to become an Amazon associate. The domain to this platform is the affiliate-program.amazon.com, as you can see right here at your screen right now. So if you come onto this domain, you'll be brought to this page right here, and you just need to follow this basic procedure to sign up, recommend some cool products from Amazon, and you do start earning money right now. As you can see, you could earn up to 10% in associate commissions right here. All you need to do is to just simply recommend product and start earning. And the cool thing about this is that they don't actually necessarily need to purchase the exact same product you are promoting. They just need to head on to Amazon using your unique affiliate link and purchase any product, for which if they do purchase, you're going to get a cool commission. And that is actually possible right now with the help of this particular Amazon affiliate cookies. And you can see right here that an Amazon affiliate cookies lasts for 24 hours. So you will get commission on every product a customer adds to their cart and buys within 24 hours of clicking your affiliate link. Once 24 hours have passed, the cookie expires and you will no longer get credit for any sales. So what this actually means is that, supposing I'm actually promoting a product right here, maybe I'm promoting this particular laptop right now to people to go into promoting, and instead of them purchasing this laptop, maybe they're going to purchasing this other laptop right now, and they're going to purchasing some cool wristwatches and hats instead, but they actually did use my unique affiliate link to head on to Amazon. I'm still going to get commission for each and every one of those items they actually did purchase, and that's absolutely quite cool right now. So you can actually leverage that right there. Now, a cool way which you can actually make money right now with Amazon is just by utilizing CPA marketing offers also. So we're going to utilize both CPA marketing offers and Amazon right now to make money with the help of a cool platform right here called Pinterest. And guys, I will walk you through how you can actually do that. Everything will become clearer to you as we dive right into the video. But before we go further into the video, if you are new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways to make money online, and if you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out right here. You could also hit the like button to this video which you're watching right now. Go on to subscribing to the channel and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all, so that you do get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help you boost your income online. So diving right ahead into the video of today right now, if you do actually go on to checking out this platform right here, Pinterest right now, you actually do find out that Pinterest is a very cool platform that gets lots of traffic. With Pinterest right now, guys, you can actually go on to getting about 1.2 billion visits in the last 28 days. Pinterest got this amount of traffic right now, and statistics actually shows that about 72 or 76% of people that actually go onto Pinterest are actually women right there. Which is why it is much more important that if you are promoting products on Amazon, on Pinterest, you actually need to go on to promoting stuff that are actually related to women, and women can easily go on to utilizing right there. And you can actually go on to knowing what people are actually searching for on Pinterest with the help of a cool platform called the trends.pinterest.com. As with this platform, you can know what people are searching for in the United States. You can actually do see right here that what is going up right now, what people are searching for right now is actually stuff like Valentine's Day nails. If you do look at that right there, you can see Valentine nails, also my vibe, Valentine gifts for boyfriends, Valentine Day nails, and a lot more cool stuff are actually trending right here on Pinterest. And if you go on to check in right now, you can see that these are actually trending right here on Pinterest right now. Now what you can actually do right there is that you just need to go onto this particular section. You can actually copy this particular keyword which people are searching for right now, then head on to this platform called Amazon associate, sign up as an Amazon associate, and that will actually be linked to your Amazon account. Paste in that particular search right now. If you do paste that in right here, you'll be able to see some cool nails right now. So you can actually go into selecting any of these nails, and you can see right here the nails come in 17 colors right here, and you can see that all these actually have a cool description right now about the item, title, and some cool stuff. Now right now I can just simply go on to downloading this image right here. So if I do click on share, I can actually download the image, or I can right click on this right now. I could just simply click on the image, right click on the image and save the image on my device. Now once the image has been saved on my device, guys, I can actually then go on further to converting this into a Pinterest pin, so that I can actually upload that on Pinterest right here as one of these. Now to do so, guys, I'm going to utilize a cool platform called Canva, and this is a very cool platform. What you need to do is to come onto this section, search for the Pinterest pin, which is actually going to bring you right here to a page such as this. You can see a lot of cool templates you can go into utilizing right here. I'm just going to select the blank template, which will bring me right here to this section. Now you want to go into the upload section right now, click on upload file, and actually go into uploading that particular nail which you actually just downloaded. So if I do upload that right now, what I'm going to do is to make this quite bigger right here. Now if I do go into trying to make this bigger, as you can see, I have actually made this quite bigger right now. Now once this has actually been done, I can just simply put in something at the top and at the bottom. Maybe I'm just going to drag this to the bottom section right here. Now we're just going to go on to grabbing a CPA marketing offer which we want to utilize. And to grab a CPA marketing offer, we can head onto the platform CPA Grip, register for an account, then log into your account. Now guys, after logging into your account, you want to come onto a page such as this. And on this page right here, you can just simply come right here, click on offer tools, and select my offers to get to this page. You can actually filter your offers to any demographic of your choice. I'm going to be utilizing the United Kingdom. I'm going to click on payout to filter offers based on payout, and I can actually do select this offer that pays about 500 euros gift card right now. This is a giveaway offer for this, and this pays me about $10.27 for every successful lead I get to this offer. And the leads need to come from the United Kingdom. They need to use an Apple iOS device and also submit their email address or zip code while going through a simple survey using this my unique affiliate link, and I just simply get that money right there. So what you need to do right now is to copy the link, and you want to head onto this platform right now called Linktree, and actually list that on your Linktree page right now. And you can actually do that for multiple CPA marketing offers from different countries. So make sure you're going to getting offers from different countries that are actually kind of giveaway offers. I'm going to doing that right there and list that on your Linktree right now, and have all of them from your Linktree. And make sure, guys, that you indicate the offers for each country right there, so that once people do click on that, they will be able to see that right there. Now once you do that, guys, all we need to do is to head onto a new tab right there, and you want to just simply go on to type in this particular stuff, which is the QR-code-generator.com. If you do type that in right there, this is a very cool platform that you can just simply utilize to convert any code into, or any link address into, a QR code. So once you paste that in right here, all you need to do is to just simply check out this particular QR code that will be generated in a matter of time. Select a cool frame right there for that, and just simply download that right now. Once you've downloaded that, guys, you want to just simply head back to Canva, and you can actually go on to uploading that right now in this section. Now once that has actually been uploaded, you just need to add that right there to this image. And if you do add that to the image right now, I'm just going to go on to dragging and dropping this right here. Maybe I'm going to make it fill into this section. Now you can just simply add in a simple text right here that says scan code for a chance to win a gift prize. So what I'm going to do right now is to actually stretch this to something like this. I can then just simply make this smaller, and what I'm going to do right now is to drag and drop in this section. Now you can see how cool this actually looks like. Maybe I can go on to changing this background color right now to something quite different. I can change this to something like this, and you can actually do see that this looks quite better. Now once this has actually been done, you can click on share, you can click on download, and actually download this right here, this image that has actually been generated to your device. Now once you go click on the download icon, the image is actually being downloaded, and you can then just simply head on back to that particular platform called Pinterest. You want to click on home feed, and you want to click on create pin right now. Now once you do click on create pin right here, all you need to do right now is to just simply click on this particular section. So guys, once you come onto this section and click on this particular icon, you just need to select that image you downloaded from Canva, and the image will be inserted right in here, as you can actually do see right now. All you need to do is to give this a very cool title, a cool description right now, and you want to just simply add in the link. And this link, what you're going to add right now is the link to that particular nail from your Amazon associate right there. So if you do get the link from Amazon right there, you're utilizing the Amazon associate, you want to paste in the link right in here, and that will enable you going to earning money with the Amazon right there as terms of commission once you start getting traffic to this. And you can also earn money right here with CPA marketing once people scan this code right now for a chance to win a gift prize. So you can actually then go onto the board section, create something quite cool for that particular category right now, and you want to add cool topics right here or tags to make that easily found right there on TikTok or on this particular platform right here called Pinterest right now. So once you do that right there guys, you can publish this and you can go on to get a much more cool and amazing product right now from this particular platform called Amazon, and just simply go on to promoting that right there on the platform called Pinterest right now. So this is a very cool strategy that I advise you take advantage of right now to go on to getting a lot of cool traffic to both your Amazon associate links right there and also your CPA marketing offers. And with these guys, you can make a lot of money online with those two platforms simultaneously. And I do hope this video was helpful guys. If the video added any form of value, why not just simply hit the like button to the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.